special conditions, the state will be free to revoke this sentence and recommend any penalty allowed under the law, including but not limited to the maximum sentence provided by law.
Wow.
As a condition of this sentence, the state has also agreed, and I believe this is the first time I've ever seen this, the state has agreed to write a letter to the Board of Pardons and Parole stating that the state will not object to you being released from the Department of Corrections the first time that you become eligible for parole, or after serving 1/3 of your prison sentence.
Wow.
Whichever comes first, if you comply with the following conditions. You're to comply with the lawful authority of any and all law enforcement. You're to have no further incidents from the date of this plea in any penal institution. You are to receive credit, and I don't do the credit from time served, but what I will acknowledge is you have been incarcerated since January 13th of 2021 to the present. Is that correct, Ms. Christian?
Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Finley and Mr. Banks, do you agree with that date, with those dates?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Have I adequately detailed the recommendation, Ms. Christian?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Finley?
Yes, Your Honor. I just want to ask just one fact on the first offender. I know there was an issue with the co-defendant, but the court would note that co-defendant had pleaded to a voluntary manslaughter charge, which puts the court in an uncomfortable position for a request on first offender on voluntary manslaughter. That's a difficult ask. We're not similarly situated.
YFN Lucci, come on, y'all.
The court has considered the first offender request, and the court is denying the request at this time. All right, anything else? Have I adequately detailed the recommendation, Mr. Banks?
If I may, Judge, as a part of the negotiated recommendation, the state has agreed to null pros indictment number 22 SC 180737, as well as decline to prosecute case number 23 CP 216278.
Is that correct, Ms. Christian?
Yes, Judge. I was going to present that at the end of this.
All right. So is there anything else before I bring probation on and give further instructions from the state, Ms. Christian?
Nothing else remaining on this.